Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to use Claude for free in the Antigravity. So for that, we're going to use the Antigravity platform rather than using the Claude desktop application, so that we'll be able to get the free version of it. Now, I have downloaded the Antigravity from here. You can do it too. The link is in the description. So once you have downloaded it, just open it up and authenticate it with your Google account. Now I have selected and downloaded it. I have authenticated it with my Google account. I just have to finish the setup. So plugins are package collections of skills and MCP to help the agent integrity with Google developer products. You can also change your choice in setting. So yeah, you guys can just finish it up and you can alter it once you start making any project. Over here, you will see that I have this single prompt over here. And I can select between different models: Gemini 3.5 Flash, Flash High, Flash Low, 3.1 Pro. And over here, you will see that I have Claude Opus 4.6 Thinking Edition. So I can simply use it and type in anything, and it will start working on it for free. I don't have to buy a subscription to use it. So this is how it works. I hope you find this video helpful. See you in the next one.